Hey folks, the Desert Artist here. I am here with my cat Saminal. He is Saminal the animal. My wife gave him that name. I wanted to show you a knife sheath that I found in my grandmother's hope chest, and I believe it belonged well, I don't know really who it belonged to. I don't know whether it was my grandfather or my dad or my uncle. They're all dead, so I can't ask them. But as you can see, it is wound and weaved with just leather lacing, and all the knives are different sizes. You can see this one's only probably a couple inches long. This one's a little longer, and and this one is a little longer yet. Now this one is looks like 6 inches long. Everything looks to be handmade. Now what he did here was he took this big black piece of leather here, and it looks like it was a strap, and what he did was he just went down and went around. He just went down here and folded up the end of the knife to where that one slides in, came up, and it looks like there's like a little piece right in here where he went over the top to give it some leeway to accommodate for the width in the handle, and he just slid that in there like that, and then he did the last one here. So you can see it just basically is a strip of leather that goes down here and then back up, and then goes around another piece of leather here, and then goes down, encompasses the end of that knife there, comes up and does the same thing. It seems to hang really nice when you put it on the side. It seems to hang okay, although I think I would probably make this a little bit wider so it hangs a little bit closer to the body, as opposed to maybe having it hang a little funky monkey like this. But just a cool knife sheath that I thought I would show you guys. Now this is my dad was in the Boy Scouts in the 50s, and my grandfather was a ferry boat captain, and my uncle was also in the Boy Scouts, and he went into the Navy and died of lymphoma. He was on the ship Marcab, and they've been decommissioned and sold. I just wanted to show you guys something cool that was in my grandmother's hope chest. It's kind of unique, and I hope you all enjoy it. Hey, thanks for being a part of my life. Thanks for subbing. Thanks for checking out the thing. You guys have a great day. Be safe. This is the Desert Artist. I'm out of here.